thankful. The players, all the Red Lions really made sure that they will be able to rebound after that defeat in Game 2. Letran under Coach Limelas is a very tough team to beat. They were hungry, they were a very good coach, and they made it difficult for us, especially after beating us in Game number 2. Eventually, it all boiled down to the desire of the boys, their composure, and I think their courage. Faith without fear has been the battle cry of the team. And eventually, the boys made it happen.
Coach, you started the season na Super 6, natapos din sa Super 16. You wait to yung second game.
Siguro talagang special yung season para sa mga players. Yung panalo mo, naging importante sa amin for us to be able to cross over right away sa Final Four. We were able to go to the Final Four seamlessly. And in the end, it boiled down to, I think, being the fresher team compared to Letran dahil sila they had to go and beat San Sebastian in 2 games. So, I think that also worked in our favor.
Coach, what kind of adjustments you made? Kasi lopsided yung panalo. Were you expecting that ganito po?
No. I was expecting a heel-to-heel battle. And we were ready to battle all the way to the final minute, the final second of the game. Then, yun naman ang tema talaga ng series. Adjustments were mainly on trying to contain the scorers of Letran because they have 5 double-digit scorers in the second game. In the first 3 games that we played them, twice in the eliminations and once in the finals, we were able to limit their gunners. But in the second game, hindi na namin alam kung sino babantayan namin dahil pumutok si Lituania, pumutok si Velorio. Kevin Alasa this way against us in the fourth. Marcus also dominated our backcourt. So we had to make sure that we made the necessary match-up adjustments to be able to contain the offense of Letran.
Sir, agad ka nung Game 2. Ano yung inisip mo para going sa Game 2?
Wala lang. Kasi nga, kagabi, parang inisip ko or imagine ko kung ano yung patutulong ko sa team. So, hindi na siguro yung best ko, binigay ko lahat.
Anjo, ano masasabi mo sa championship na ito?
Sobrang sarap ng championship na to kasi ang dami na pinagdaanan. Una-una, we started with 6 players lang, so sobrang saya namin na nakuha namin yung championship na to. Sige, sige na rin.
Ano yung sa game team? Siyempre yung talo nyo sa game team.
Na-stay positive lang kami kasi hindi kami pwedeng ma-down kasi do or die na to eh. So, credit din kay coach na hinanda niya kami, hindi lang physically pero mentally ready kami sa laban na to. Wala na.
Coach, anong maganda sa game 3? Adjustment nyo, anong maganda?
Siguro yung parang defense because we were able to contain them to 0% from the 3. In game number 2, they were able to hit the most number of 3-point shots in the first 3 minutes. I think they totaled only 4 or 5 made 3-point shots after the first 2 games that we played each other. But in the third game, or game 2 of the finals, they had 18 points off the 3-point shots. Today, they were able to shut them down from there. Pero pumutok si Marcus at the onset of the third. So yung quick adjustments ng mga assistant coaches, yung trabaho nila to be able to take away the offense of Letran. I think that was key for us. It's all about making the defensive stops because if you take a look at our lineup talaga, wala naman kami ng mga big-time scorers katulad na meron sila. So it had to rely on our defensive intensity for us to create offense for us.
Coach, heading to the final quarter, you're up 20 points. Ano tumatak ko sa isip?
Gusto kong bilisan yung relo, syempre. Pero nakita mo naman yung putok ni Marcus sa umpisa ng third quarter, di ba? Mapapatay mo pa in a minute and a half. You can never be sure of the outcome until the final buzzer. Medyo napangiti na lang ko ng mga last 4 minutes na hindi pa rin bumaba yung naman. Pero kikilabutan ka dahil alam mo kayang bumalik eh. Pag tumama ng 2 press, may iba yung terra. At hanggang sa dulo, the boys were playing hard on defense and these 2 guys really led the team in terms of offense and in execution. 32 minutes for Anjo, 28 minutes for Baser, and the rest is history.
Pero coach, nung bumaba sa 11, medyo parang naging adjustment niya sa all the way.
Si Rom ang kumuha na kay Marcus. Kasi he scored twice or 3 times against Anjo right away. Hindi ka naman makaswitch agad habang naglalaro eh. So, good thing for us, we were able to score two quick baskets after that. Tapos, nagulat din ako nung umangat eh. Pero, syempre, yun talaga yung pinagdarasal mo na mangyari. Ideally, gusto mo lamang ka. Pero ako, akala ko talaga mga 4-6 points lang yung magiging difference. But we never thought na makakalayo kami sa kanila, lalo na sa final.